What if the wisdom of ancient Vedic scriptures and the revolutionary discoveries of modern quantum mechanics are leading us to the same profound insights about consciousness? Today, we set out on a journey that intertwines these two fascinating realms. The Vedic view of consciousness is not just a philosophical stance, but a comprehensive worldview. It presents consciousness as the fabric of all existence, the very essence that permeates the universe. In this ancient perspective, Brahman is the ultimate reality. It's an infinite consciousness, omnipresent, underlying every aspect of the universe. Imagine Brahman as an endless ocean of awareness, with each wave representing a facet of the cosmos. Atman, in contrast, is the individual self. Think of it as a single drop from that vast ocean, unique yet inseparable from the whole. It's the personal, inner consciousness within each being, linked eternally to the universal Brahman. The Vedas describe our perceived reality as Maya, an elaborate illusion woven from our sensory experiences and attachments. Picture Maya as a grand theater, where what we see and experience is just a fraction of the true, hidden reality. Vedic sages spent lifetimes exploring these concepts. Through meditation and introspection, they sought to unravel the mysteries of Atman and Brahman, and their insights laid the foundations for a profound understanding of the universe and our consciousness. Through Vedic teachings, we're invited to see the world as a network of interconnectedness. The individual self and the cosmos are not separate, but reflections of each other in a unified existence. These teachings, passed down through centuries, challenge us to look beyond our immediate perceptions. They ask us to contemplate our deeper nature and our connection to the universe. Now let's transition to the world of quantum mechanics. This modern field of science has brought a radical shift in our understanding of the physical world. Quantum mechanics introduces us to a universe where particles exist in states of potential. Think of it as a realm where particles dance between possibilities until the moment they are observed. At the core of quantum theory is the concept of superposition. Electrons, for example, can be in multiple states simultaneously, like being in two places at once. This defies our everyday logic and challenges our understanding of reality. Quantum entanglement adds another layer of mystery. This phenomenon connects particles in such a way that the state of one can instantly influence another, regardless of the distance separating them. It's as if these particles are communicating over vast expanses of space, bound by an invisible thread. The observer effect in quantum theory is equally perplexing. It suggests that the act of observation can alter the state of a quantum system. This raises profound questions about the nature of reality and our role in shaping it. In the quantum world, things are not as they seem. Particles can tunnel through barriers, exist in multiple places, and communicate over distances. It's a world that challenges our conventional understanding and opens up a universe full of strange and fascinating possibilities. Returning to the Vedic perspective, let's delve deeper into its view of consciousness. The Vedas do not see consciousness as a mere byproduct of the brain, but as the core of existence. Brahman, as the ultimate reality, is a consciousness that pervades everything. Picture it as a cosmic tapestry with every thread representing a different aspect of the universe, all woven together by the fabric of awareness. Atman, the individual soul, is like a mirror reflecting the cosmic Brahman. It's the inner self within each person, a fragment of the divine consciousness that connects us all. Vedic philosophy uses the metaphor of Maya to describe our perceived reality. Imagine a veil that covers the true nature of existence. Our senses and attachments weave this veil, obscuring our understanding of the deeper connections that bind us. The sages of ancient times contemplated deeply on these ideas. Their quest was to understand the intricate relationship between the individual consciousness, Atman, and the cosmic consciousness, Brahman. Their insights offer a rich tapestry of understanding about the universe and the potential of human consciousness within it. Vedic teachings encourage us to look beyond the physical world. They guide us to explore the deep interconnectedness between ourselves and the cosmos. In this ancient view, consciousness is a continuum that spans from the individual to the cosmic level. It presents a perspective where the self and the universe merge, offering a transformative understanding of our existence. In the quantum realm, the exploration of consciousness has led to fascinating theories and debates. One notable theory in this domain is the orchestrated objective reduction, Orch-OR theory, proposed by Roger Penrose and Stuart Hameroff. The Orch-OR theory suggests a groundbreaking idea. Consciousness arises from quantum processes within the brain's neurons. It proposes that microtubules, tiny structures in brain cells, could be the sites of quantum processing, crucial to the emergence of conscious experience. This theory is a bold attempt to bridge the gap between the worlds of quantum physics and consciousness. It suggests that the mind might be deeply rooted in the quantum realm, challenging conventional views of brain function and consciousness. The quantum mind hypothesis takes this idea further. It proposes that classical mechanics cannot fully account for consciousness and that quantum mechanics offers a more comprehensive understanding of its complexities. These theories have stirred a mix of fascination and skepticism in the scientific community. Critics point out that the brain's warm, wet environment seems hostile to delicate quantum states, questioning the viability of quantum processes in such a setting. Yet some scientists and thinkers see potential in these ideas. They propose that consciousness could indeed emerge from fundamental quantum processes, offering a new lens through which to view the mind-brain connection. The exploration of consciousness in the realm of quantum theory is not just a scientific endeavor. It's a journey that straddles the boundaries between science and philosophy, raising deep questions about the nature of reality, the workings of the mind, and how we perceive and shape the world around us. As we draw comparisons between Vedic philosophy and quantum mechanics, we find both striking similarities and intriguing differences in their views on consciousness and reality. Both perspectives challenge the conventional idea of a separate, objective reality. In Vedic thought, Maya suggests that the physical world is an illusion, a grand play where the true reality is the unifying Brahman. Quantum mechanics, with its phenomena like superposition and entanglement, reveals a world where definitive states emerge only upon observation, blurring the lines between the observer and the observed. The role of the observer is central to both Vedic philosophy and quantum mechanics. In quantum theory, the observer effect implies that our observations can influence the state of quantum systems. This resonates with the Vedic view that consciousness shapes our perception of reality and, in turn, our reality itself. However, there are notable differences between these two worldviews. Vedic philosophy sees consciousness as a fundamental universal property intrinsic to the very fabric of reality. Quantum mechanics traditionally has not assigned such a primary role to consciousness, often treating it as a separate entity that interacts with the quantum world. The theme of interconnectedness is a shared thread in both Vedic teachings and quantum mechanics. In Vedic philosophy, the unity of Atman, the individual self, and Brahman, the universal consciousness, suggests a fundamental connectedness of all beings. Quantum entanglement reflects a similar notion in the particle world, where particles, once entangled, remain connected across vast distances, behaving as if part of a unified system. While Vedic philosophy offers a holistic view of consciousness as an integral part of the cosmos, leading to spiritual insights and enlightenment, quantum mechanics provides a scientific framework that has yet to fully integrate consciousness into its understanding of the universe. In conclusion, both Vedic philosophy and quantum mechanics provide profound insights into the nature of reality and consciousness. They approach these concepts from different angles, one as a spiritual and philosophical journey, the other as a scientific and empirical inquiry. The ongoing dialogue between these two fields continues to enrich our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Modern scientific perspectives on the relationship between quantum physics and consciousness bring forth a spectrum of views from prominent scientists and thinkers. Physicist Roger Penrose, for example, suggests a deep connection between the mind and the quantum world. His collaboration with anesthesiologist Stuart Hameroff on the Orch-OR theory is a significant foray into exploring this connection. Neuroscientist Christoph Koch, known for his work on the neural basis of consciousness, explores the possibility that consciousness might be a fundamental property of the universe. This idea resonates with some interpretations of quantum theory and suggests a universe where consciousness is as fundamental as space, time, and matter. Philosopher David Chalmers, who introduced the hard problem of consciousness, engages with quantum theories as potential solutions. He speculates about the role of consciousness in the universe and its relationship to the physical laws that govern it. On the experimental front, ongoing research in quantum biology is examining how quantum phenomena might play a role in biological processes. Studies in areas such as photosynthesis and bird navigation hint at a broader applicability of quantum mechanics in life processes, which could eventually shed light on the nature of consciousness. The field of quantum cognition is also witnessing growing interest. This approach applies quantum theory to model cognitive processes such as decision-making and perception. It suggests that some aspects of human cognition might be better explained through quantum models rather than classical ones. These diverse perspectives and ongoing studies highlight a growing recognition in the scientific community of the potential interplay between quantum mechanics and consciousness. While consensus is far from being reached, the intrigue and curiosity in this field are paving the way for innovative theories and groundbreaking research, blurring the lines between physics, neuroscience, and philosophy. Our exploration of consciousness through the lenses of Vedic philosophy and quantum mechanics opens new vistas in our understanding of reality, existence, and spirituality. The convergence of ancient Vedic insights and modern quantum theories suggests a universe that is far more interconnected and dynamic than traditionally perceived. It challenges us to rethink our place in the cosmos, not as mere observers, but as integral parts of a vast, living tapestry of reality. This journey into the nature of consciousness and reality brings forth profound implications for spirituality. It bridges the gap between science and spirituality, showing that our quest for understanding the universe is deeply entwined with our quest for meaning and self-realization. In summary, we've delved into the Vedic view of consciousness as a fundamental aspect of reality, contrasted with quantum mechanics' revolutionary insights into the nature of the physical world. We've seen how both perspectives challenge our conventional understanding of reality and suggest a deeper, more interconnected cosmos. As we reflect on these ideas, we are left with compelling questions. Are ancient philosophical concepts of a unified consciousness and the modern scientific discoveries in quantum physics pointing us towards a new understanding of reality? How might this synthesis of ancient wisdom and cutting-edge science reshape our view of existence, our search for meaning, and our approach to spirituality? In contemplating these questions, we not only deepen our understanding, but also embark on a transformative journey, a journey that bridges the empirical and the spiritual, inviting us to see the world and ourselves in a new light.